You see, while most adventurers have nightmares about having their engines break in the middle of a desert and then getting captured by a tribe of cannibals, what usually gets common people like us is something as simple as a broken clutch lever on a Sunday afternoon. And this disgrace usually happens when you drop the bike, even at low speeds, the handlebar hits the ground and you snap the lever right next to the bolt, leaving you with nothing left to pull. No bueno. Well, and although strong handguards help you reduce the risk of this situation, today I want to teach you a free trick that further increases your chances of survival. All you have to do is to grab a simple metal saw like this and open a vertical cut on your lever about 3 centimeters away from the tip. It doesn't have to be a very deep cut, 2 millimeters it's enough, and what this does is it creates a fuse, a spot where the lever will break if it hits the ground, leaving you with a broken lever but with a functional size that you can still use. As a matter of fact, I have broken the front lever on my XT660 about 2 years ago and I didn't even care to replace it. And guys, please don't think that I am some kind of hillbilly teaching you redneck tricks. Some brands actually use this technique on their OEM levers. To finish this video, I have an additional recommendation for you. I always carry on my motorcycle spare tools and spare parts hidden throughout the bike, usually attached to the frame. This is an excellent way to guarantee that you never have to cut your trips short just because you ran into some kind of simple mechanical problem. Well, and now this is it. I hope you guys learned something, and if so, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the thingy and to share. See you next week and happy rides!